How to open a bank account, Wells Fargo. To open up your bank account on Wells Fargo Bank, you must already decide what kind of bank account you want, savings account or checkings account. Then head over to wellsfargo.com, select the respective option. For this case, let's say I will select savings account. If you've already decided on a certain savings account, you can select that, or you can view the details by simply going to view all savings account. I'll simply select a random one for this video. So once you have selected a certain savings account, make sure that you read everything related to that kind of account, the amount of fee, the opening deposit that you need to fill out over there and a minimum deposit, and then click the open now option. And then any type of document that you need will also vary upon the type of account that you create. So you might need your social security number, your proof of addresses, and your tax identification number. Then just click on the let's go option here. So make sure to enter your details and a legal mobile number that you're using. Click on the agree and continue. Fill out all the document details according to your legal documents. Then once you've done all that, you will be able to go ahead and then finish signing up for Wells Fargo bank account or create it online. If you have any issues as well, you can directly try to contact the customer service too. So hope this video helped you as to how you can open up Wells Fargo bank account. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.